Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew-type ramen. We will explore creating a deeply satisfying bowl, starting with its foundational element, the broth. This hearty dish relies on a rich, slow-cooked liquid. First, combine about 2 pounds of pork bones with 1 large onion and 4 cloves of garlic in a large pot. Cover with 12 cups of water and simmer gently for at least 3 hours, skimming any foam that rises to the surface. This initial step builds incredible depth of flavor. Now let's add the heart of our stew, the meats and vegetables. For a truly satisfying experience, choose about 1.5 pounds of pork belly or beef short ribs. These cuts become incredibly tender when slow cooked. Also, prepare hearty vegetables like 2 carrots, 1 daikon radish, and 6 shiitake mushrooms. Brown the meat in a separate pan until golden on all sides. Then add it to the simmering broth, along with the prepared vegetables, for the final 2 hours of cooking. With our stew base ready, it is time for the noodles and toppings. Select a good quality, thick ramen noodle about 5 ounces per serving, as these hold up best to the hearty broth. Cook your noodles in a separate pot of boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring they are perfectly al dente. Drain them well. Arrange the noodles in a deep bowl, then ladle over the rich stew. Finish with your favorite toppings, like 2 soft-boiled eggs and a sprinkle of fresh scallions. Finally, it is time to enjoy your homemade stew-type ramen. Serve it piping hot in large, deep bowls to fully appreciate its warmth and aroma. For an extra layer of flavor, consider a dash of toasted sesame oil or a sprinkle of 7-spice powder just before serving. Remember, this recipe is a fantastic starting point. Feel free to experiment with different cuts of meat, seasonal vegetables, or even a touch more spice to truly make it your own unique creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.